Hello and welcome back to Cleanastic. I don't know about you, but we in this family, we love to eat fish. The only problem we have is that the house smells fishy when we're done cooking. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple ways to remove fish smell in your house. The weather's nice outside. Before you start cooking, you should open all your windows and all your doors in the house to let the fish smell out and let some fresh air come inside the house. And you should wrap up your leftovers and refrigerate it. Clean your kitchen, wipe your surfaces down, wash the dishes, and take your trash out. You can light a candle if you like candles with a strong, fresh smell, or you can put lemons, rosemary, or cinnamon sticks in a pan with water and let it simmer for a while. That's going to give your house a fresh, fruity, or whatever smell you want to have. Frying my fish. But if you want to reduce the smell in the house, you can also wrap your fish into foil or paper and cook it or make it in the oven. And try is to soak your fish into milk for at least 30 minutes before cooking. That's going to cut down on the fish smell, but not going to change the flavor on the fish. Hope that I was able to help you out with your fish smell in your house, and I hope that the methods work. Please let us know in the comments if it works, or if you have any other ideas how you can get fish smell out the house. And stay tuned until my next video.